Next one topic students. First recorder class only 7 to 8 minutes only. Other is not recorded place empty. You skip second video. Features of departmental undertaking. Features is first one is the salient features of departmental undertaking as follows. Ultimate responsibility. Ultimate means more and more responsibility. The ultimate responsibility for the management of departmental undertaking lies with the ministry concerned, who is responsible to the parliament or state legislature for the affair of the departmental undertaking. The minister in turn and delegates his authority downwards to various other management leaves in a departmental undertaking. Departmental undertaking more and more full and fully government undertaking only. Is parliament and state or central full and full control, that is departmental undertaking. Next one, government financing. The departmental undertaking is financed through annual budget appropriation by parliament or state legislature. The revenue of undertaking are paid into the government treasury. The departmental undertaking move profit and annual budget and prepare appropriation the parliament or state legislature. The revenue full and full is transferred to government treasury. Next one, accounting and auditing. Departmental undertaking is subject to the normal budgeting and accounting and audit procedures which are applicable to all government departments. Each and every government department full and full yearly once is compulsory department wise auditing. Auditing only is a for each and every unit or profit is easy to assume. Profit or loss is compulsory. Yearly auditing is compulsory. Auditing is government only, no. Government or private, each and every sector is compulsory. Audit report is compulsory. Very, very must only. Next one, managed by civil servant. The departmental undertaking is managed by civil servant who are the subject to same service and condition as applicable to civil servant of the government. The departmental undertaking and more or less same treated only in civil servant and government employees. Departmental undertaking employees and government employees same category only treated. Next one, sovereign immunity. A departmental undertaking cannot be sued anybody without the consent of government. The departmental undertaking is not permission in anybody sued. Sued means case. Any case not filed in do not discuss the government. Compulsory. Anybody, listen students, a departmental undertaking cannot be sued anybody without consent of the government. Compulsory. You opinion or some discuss in government. Next one, advantages and disadvantages. First one, advantages. From the following advantages of departmental undertaking. Easy formation. It is easy to set up a departmental undertaking. The departmental undertaking is created by an administrative decision of government and involving no legal formalities for its formation. Easy formation. Departmental undertaking or government easy to created in administrative in departmental undertaking. No legal formalities. They say more or less same only government undertaking or department government undertaking is or government is same or more or less same rules and regulations. Next one, direct and control of parliament, state legislature. The departmental undertaking is directly responsible to the parliament or the state legislature through its overall head, that is the minister concerned. Each and every department in some ministers and financial departments, some financial department is ministry, full and full financial ministry control. Each and every department is department wise ministers control. Secrecy maintained. Government and mostly defense atomic power in defense and atomic power is full and full government control only. No interfere in privatization. No interfere in private persons. The secrecy of maintaining government undertaking and government sectors you maintain in secrecy. Secrecy means some secret matters, government secret matters maintained. Next one, lesser burden of tax on public. Lesser burden. Burden means that is heavy weight, but lesser weight only in tax on public. Earning on departmental undertaking are certainly entirely paid into the government treasury and resulting in lesser tax burden of public. More and more the undertaking income is full and full government treasury control means automatically income means automatically public tax burden is very less only, but treasury income very less means automatically tax rate is increase, government tax rate increase in burden on public only. But the undertaking companies more income means that the income means full and full government transfer to government treasury means automatically full and full lesser tax only in burden on the public. Next one, instrument of social changes. Government can promote economic and social justice through a departmental undertaking. Hence, a departmental undertaking can be used by the government as an instrument of social changes. Some social change, a departmental undertaking can be used a government instrument of social changes. Social changes mean full and full any private concerns involved in social changes, but government only in more care of public. In care of public means automatically some new implementations of new infrastructures and improving in social changes. Infrastructure facilities. What do you mean by infrastructure facilities? Infrastructure facilities means transport, education, water, electricity, communication. That is basic. This is infrastructure facilities. Any one you shortage means the total entire society will be affected. Next one, lesser risk of misuse of public money as a departmental undertaking is subject to budgeting, accounting and audit procedure of the government. The risk of the misuse of public money is relatively very less. The budgeting is more and more government is benefit for public only. The budgeting in benefits of very poor poverty, below poverty line people is improving the standard of living, improve is below poverty or below poverty line people. The time is government improving in society, automatically more money in government schemes is full and full benefits of public means very less amount only in government treasury, but that time is government full and full public means automatically some social changes is automatically increase. Next one, guided by rules and regulations of the ministry. The offices of the departmental undertaking are under the supervision of direct and administrative control of ministry. They are guided by the rules and regulations of ministry framed with the focus of public welfare. More and more government departmental undertaking framed as some rules and regulations. That regulation is framed focus on public welfare. Focus means that is one way. That way is full and full public welfare only. More government, more schemes in government. Some unemployment people means some encouraging in new entrepreneurs. Some unemployment persons is own business and created some small scale industry or large scale industries means government who encourage, and handicraft some small industries means per industries run the persons means encouraging in government. That is guide and rules and regulations. The rules and regulation is each and every government undertaking companies is followed. Okay students, listen. Advantages this lesson very easy. You read. Dear students, do not waste your time. Each and every points is important points. You read. Listen students. Main 2 or 3 examples in full and full government undertaking department is which one? All India Radio, Doordarshan, Delhi Milk Scheme. This is departmental undertaking. All India Radio and Doordarshan is departmental undertaking. More or less same government and departmental undertaking, same rules and regulations, same only. Okay students, do not waste your time. That day this question you thorough. This is 5-mark question. Okay students, do not waste your time. Read properly. Okay, next class we will discuss next one, new topic. Listen students, each and every student, this lesson is understood? Okay, understood. Thank you.